This is question number 4. 3x minus y equal to 2. One graph, one straight lines equation. The other one is 2x minus y equal to 3. Here we write y is equal to like. So 3x minus 2 equal to y. That is y is equal to 3x minus 2. Here y is equal to 2x minus 3. Now we want different values for this x. Here it is, we take x, y, x comma y. Put x is 0. 0. 3 into 0 0 minus 2. Y is minus 2. The point is 0 comma minus 2. Next point is put x is 2. 2 3s are 6 minus 2 4. It is 2 comma 4. If needed, we can go for third one also. X is equal to minus 2. Minus 2 3s are minus 6. Minus 2 more. Minus 8. So here we can make like this 3 points. We are doing a bit faster now, okay? Minus 2 comma minus 8, the third point. Here also we take 3 points. X, y, x comma y. We put x is 0. 0 into 2, 0, minus 3. Y is minus 3. First point is 0 comma minus 3. Here we take second point is 2. 2 2s are 4. 4 minus 3, 1. So here it is 2 comma 1. Put x is minus 2. Minus 2, 2s are minus 4. Minus 4 minus 3 minus 7. Minus 2, 2s are minus 4. Minus 3 more minus 7. The point is 2, minus 2 comma minus 7. We got 2 points each. So we draw that in straight lines now here. Graph. Here minimum most how much is required? Y minus 8. X 2. So we can go for that here. Graph. Y is minus 8 and also plus 4. So we have to take from here. And x is 2 only. So we take from here. Minus 8 means here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here we draw the line. Zero comma 0 origin. Vertical axis y axis, horizontal axis x axis. Here it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Here it is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. X is minus 2. Y is minus 8 plus 4 also. From here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8. Now coordinate system we take here 0 comma 2. X is 0. Y is minus 2 here. Next point 2 comma 4. X is 2, y is plus 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4 here. Even third point you take minus 2 comma minus 8. Minus 2 minus 8 is here. This point. So we join these points. One point here minus 2 comma 8, 0 comma 2, and here we have 2 comma plus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 here. we draw the line. We are taken that line. Equation of this line we write here itself. This is 3x minus y equal to 2. Now the next one, 0 comma minus 3. X is 0, y is minus 3. That is here. This is the point. Next 2 comma 1. X is 2, y is 1 here. Third point, minus 2 comma minus 7. Minus 2 comma minus 7 is here. So these points here. Where these two straight lines are intersecting means here. The two lines are intersecting, that point of intersection is the solution. X value from here, we go and see. We go to x-axis from here. It meets at minus 1. So it is minus 1, comma y is minus 5. So solution x comma y. X is minus 1, y is minus 5. So here we write the solution. Solution. X comma y. X is minus 1, comma y is minus 5. This is the fourth question of 1.2. Exercise practice set 1.2, question number 4. Main question 2, sub question number 4. Exactly like this you can do the other problems also. If at all we do the last question also, question number 6. The question is 2x minus 3y equal to 4. The other one is 3y minus x is equal to 4. We take some points. First is x, y, x comma y. We take x value, put x is 0. Then here y will be minus 4 upon 3. Fraction will come. So by trial and error method we can take values. 3y, here x is 2. We take minus 2, 0, 2. Now 2 into minus 2, 2 into minus 2, minus 3y equal to 4. 2 to 4 with a minus sign. Minus 4 minus 3y is equal to 4. So minus 3y equal to 4. Minus 4 goes there, plus 4. 4 plus 4, 8. Upon this minus 3 equal to y. Y equal to minus 3 from 8, 2 times we can take. 2 3s are 6. Remainder 2. Now decimal. Then 2 becomes 20. In 23, 6 times. 6, 6, 6, 6 like that goes. We can write that place. It is minus 2.6. So the point is minus 2 comma minus 2.6 we can take approximately. Next point. We put x is 0. So 2 into 0 minus 3y equal to 4. 2 into 0 0 only. Minus 3y equal to 4. Y equal to minus 4 by 3, which is minus, from 4 1 we can 3 we can take one time, remainder 1 decimal, then becomes 3 1 10 it becomes, from 10 3 can be taken 3 3 3 3, so minus 1.3, minus 1.3. We can take the second point as 0 comma minus 1.3. If we take the next value, x is 2. 2 into 2 minus 3y equal to 4. 2 to 4. Minus 3y is equal to 4. So minus 3y equal to 4 plus 4 goes there minus 4. It is equal to 0. So y is equal to minus 3y equal to 0. Y is also 0 by minus 3. It is 0 only. So this is here. Point is 2, 0. We got 3 points here. Similarly, here also we can take here x by x comma y. Put x is same values like minus 2. Therefore, 3y minus x is minus 2 equal to 4. 3y minus into minus plus 2 equal to 4. 3y is equal to 4 plus 2 goes there minus 2 which is equal to 2 upon this 3 y which is 0.6666. So here we can take the value 0.6 minus 2 comma 0.6. 1 point we got. Another point we take 0. If x is 0, 3y minus 0 is 4. 3y is 4. Y is 4 by 3 which is 1.3333. 1.3 we take. 0, 1.3. That is sufficient. We got 2 points, Now we can draw the graph of that. Again we take x and y axis. Here all decimal values are coming. We start from here. Horizontal axis x axis, vertical axis y axis. This is 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Y values here 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 and so on. The first one, x is minus 2 here. Y is minus 2.6 here. 1, 2.6 is here. Slight approximation is doing here. It will work, no problem. X is 0, second point. Y is minus 1.3. X is 0, minus 1 here. 0.3 also here. First point, second point, third point is 2, 0. That is here. These 3 points containing straight line we draw now. If needed, we can extend to that side. That is like this. And its equation is 2x minus 3y equal to 4. That line is over. Now next one. X is minus 2, y is 0.6 plus 0.6. That is here. Minus 2.6 is here. Second point, 0, x is 0, y is 1.3. X is 0, y is 1.3. From here it is 1.3 is here. .3 is here. This point and these 2 points containing straight line. Minus 2.6 and this point containing straight line. It is meeting here somewhere. Here. The two straight lines are intersecting here. One point, second point. This is a meeting point. Here 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. X is here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Because from this point we project downwards to x-axis to get the value. It is at x 8. To get y value here, line is coming at 4. So here solution. Eight, 4, that is x comma y is 8, 4. Here also we write in graph paper, better you write with pencil. Solution x comma y 8, 4. That's the answer. The point of intersection of the two straight lines, that's a solution. When we solve this simultaneous equation way, we are getting the answer. We'll get the answer 8, 4. This is 1.2 exercise. Algebra first chapter, second exercise is this one. Graphical solution, 3 problems we have done. Now you please go through this, understand the basic concepts, and you complete the other problems. If you come across difficulties, ask in that class or tomorrow you ask here, we will solve it. Okay, for the time being this exercise gets over. Tomorrow we start with Cramer's rule, determinant method of solving simultaneous equations. Okay, please practice all these problems, practice and become excellent with the basic concepts. Thank you.